Hang on here. All right, for our ongoing class, we're doing our vocal exercise where we're singing Row, Row, Row Your Boat like opera singers. We're starting on a B flat, and then we're going to a B and a C major. So when we get to that C major, we're doing row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So you know what crossed my mind as I was doing it? I was asking myself, well, where are some other C forms that I could play during that part of Row, Row, Row Your Boat? So I'm going to ask you, here's our C. If we're going to go up the fretboard, where do you think there's another C major chord?
At the 7th and 8th.
7th.
The seventh fret. And what is the geometric form that we're making? We've got our index finger and our middle finger in the 7th fret. Looks a little, I'll tell you what the numbers are. We have a 0, 7, 8, 7. But look at the form. What does that form look like? What other chord?
G.
A G. So I just think, oh, I'm going to do like a G form up in the 7th fret. So, okay, how do we apply this? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So it's an inversion, which means it's another form of that major chord where the notes are stacked on top of each other a little differently. So it's a different flavor. Listen to this. Okay, anybody have any idea where the next inversion is of the fretboard? Well, it's right up here. So we have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me give you the numbers here. We have 0, 12, 12, 10. So let go, and then let's find it again. This reminds me of the G form that we use, where we have our index finger in the 5th fret. And we do a lot of, so it's the same geometric form right up here. Let's do the inversion. Let's do it for one measure each. So starting down here with either open C or, let's do our movable form. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, if you want to get fancy, we have a free baby finger. Place that baby here, 12, 13, 14, on the 15th fret. Oh my gosh. So let's try that again. 2, 3, 4, C. Up in the 7th fret, 10th fret. Woohoo! Here's the cheater's way. To just move our finger on the A string. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 7th fret. 10th, 15. Oh, there's an easier way. So experiment. We're going to do row, row, row your boat one more time. See what you can come up with. 2, 3, 4. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Woohoo! And you know, you can use this with so many songs, especially if we are in the key of C.